Good morning, guys. This is where I stay in Cork City. I'm climbing down a stair. You can see before it was like a step, so that's how we get down the house. Cork is so hilly. I've not updated you about the city of Cork. It's so hilly, rocky, and mountainous. The streets are hilly. The houses are built on hills. So now this is a fresh morning. I'm going to school, so come along with me, guys. Let me take you along this morning, okay? Yeah. That's where the bus from Dublin drops. That's the middle of Cork. Cork is just like Dublin. If you come to the middle of Dublin, where Dublin is divided south and north, that's how the river is in the middle. The one of Dublin is River Liffey. Sister, do you know the name of this river? River Lee. Okay. River Lee that divides the north and south Cork. So River Liffey divided the one of Dublin. So that's so similar. Oh my God, this is Cork bus errand, like where you get intercity buses travel from one city island to another city. So here they have their central station here in the middle of Cork. This is St. Patrick's Day. You can see the houses on the mountains there. The houses there. Mountain. That's the setting of Cork. Okay, we are about to board a bus to school. This one goes to the hospital. We are waiting for the one. This one goes to our school actually. This 208. But my colleague said we better wait for the next one because we have to do a very short walk from that one to the school. Okay. It's kind of cloudy and sunny all together. A beautiful morning. Sunflower over there. So guys, our bus is here. I'm about stepping in and heading for school. So guys, we just alighted from the bus now and heading to school. Guys, this is the health science block. It's very huge and beautiful. All those doing health sciences on different departments, that's their block. You've seen this several times in my videos. I like passing through here. my college block, the Brookfield. There's a crèche down there for people that have kids. The crèche is still part of University of Cork for students that have kids and some lecturers that have kids that needs to be in crèche. Guys, we just finished our lecture. Most people want to go downstairs because we have the next lecture downstairs in the first floor. So they want to use the lift, but I want to increase my steps, so I'm using the stairs. We are advised to be making use of the stairs more often than the lift. So I'm going downstairs to the first floor through the stairs. So we have the next lecture here. Guys, I'm on my way to go and grab myself a cup of coffee because I'm feeling so sleepy after the first lecture. So if I didn't get any coffee, I'll be so sleepy in the class. So I'm going to get a cup of coffee right now. Hi, Emily. Canteen. So I'm missing cappuccino and coffee here because only cappuccino can't keep me from sleeping. I'm very sleepy, guys. It's time for lunch. We are going to eat right now. Now we day here today. It's very free. Okay guys, we just finished having our lunch and going back for the third class. My classmate is looking at me. You don't know the life of a vlogger. So going back to class for the last class, which we heard by 3 to 5. Then we'll go back home. Yeah. I forgot I was vlogging. I would have carried you guys along in the canteen, how we warm the food and eat, and tell you what I brought. So I brought okwa, Igbo native food. I was gisting. I didn't remember I was vlogging. I could have shown you guys some. But no problem. What's the next class? They said 1.25. Okay. 1.25. I'll be 2.25. Let me check if I will see my classmates. 2.
Where's our class?
Hi, Winnie. Winnie, how are you? I'm looking for it. I'm looking for the class.
Hi.
Winnie, say hi to my subscribers. She's my friend Winnie. She's a very good girl. Okay, they said 1.25, but it's not here.
This is a live stream or what?
No, it's not a live stream. I'm making a bit like a vlog.
Oh wow.
Yeah. You haven't seen my channel?
I know.
You don't know?
I will.
Okay, I will show you. I will share it with you. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Okay. 1.25. Is it the other side?
1.2.
I may not be right.
Here or where?
So guys, it's 2.25 and not 1.25. I'm using the stairs as usual. So 1.25. This way.
Hi.
Salah. Hi, Joy. Joy, come and say hi to my friends.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Chinese.
She's my very good friend, Joy. Lynn.
Bye.
Yeah, it's been a while we stayed in this class. It's been a long time. Where am I staying? I need to charge my computer, so I need to stay where I can get a cable, a connection. That's where I'm staying now. Ooh, it's good. It's getting dark here. The weather is getting dark. It's gonna rain. It's almost 5. We've come to the end of today's class, guys. We're heading off home now. It's quite dark outside. We're heading back home. All right. Today has finished. Almost everyone has gone. Hi there. Everyone has gone. So I'll be going home right now. So guys, we were supposed to have 1 week block study this week, and we are having it actually, and today is the 3rd day. So Thursday will be the last day because we have online classes. On Friday, 2 online classes and 1 self-directed, so there's no need of staying back, So after Thursday, today is Wednesday, after Thursday I'll be going back to Dublin, and I'll have the online classes online and do the self-directed in Dublin. Okay, so that is it for today. Thanks for coming to school with me. It's really drizzling right now. I'll be going to the bus stop to take bus back to where I'm staying. All right, bye.